What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.031. I do believe Gala is gonna come down to the 0.01 range, which I'm very excited about. So I can absolutely load the bags. Currently up, huge bounce today for Gala, up about 14.8 right now. Seeing a market cap of 24-hour volume 209 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up through my referral. Grab up to 30K in bonuses. Watch my full length tutorial. You can also email me or sign up email. After you make your first deposit, I'll give you free access to my Discord, over 2,000 members. All links in the comments. So this is what I'm looking at for Gala. Obviously, we've broken down with the crash of Bitcoin and FTX and the debacle. I was expecting a little bit higher of a rally, but it didn't happen, and that's perfectly okay. So what I'm looking at here is that we're coming down in a 5-wave move, potentially ending diagonal, but this wave 5 would be breaking a little bit further down than I would like in an ending diagonal, but it's possible. So from the all-time high, we have a wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback. This is a 3, this is a wave 4, and you're coming down in a wave 5, and within the wave 5 is 5 waves. So we can see it as an ending diagonal, as we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, which breaks into the wave 1, which can only happen in an ending diagonal. Looking to come down in a wave 5, and within that wave 5, absolutely hideous circle, is a 5-wave move. So if we zoom in to the 1-hour time frame, what I'm looking at here, it's here in white, this larger wave count in white. Wave 1 down with that crash, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in a wave 3 to 0.014, and then you would see a wave 4 and a final wave 5. Now with ending diagonals, they tend to work in ABCs, and this is more of an impulsive wave count. So what we may see for Gala Games is that we come down in a wave 1, 2, 3, in a wave A, and then you would see an ABC into a wave 1, an ABC into a wave 2, an ABC into a wave 3, ABC into a wave 4, ABC into a wave 5. We'll see how it plays out, but as of right now, with this impulsive move, what I'm looking at here is that you've come down in a wave 1, and right now you're putting in a wave 2 pullback of the wave 3. So as you can see right here, wave 1 down, wave 2 looking to come down in a wave 3. Within the wave 3 is 5 waves. So wave 1 complete, pushing up in a wave 2 pullback, also retesting the falling wedge pattern with the technical target all the way down at 0.016. So what I'm looking for is a rejection in between 0.032, which we already hit, and seeing a small rejection from, and 0.038. Those are the 0.5 and the 0.786 on the fib, which is the typical retracement of a wave 2. See a rejection and come down in a wave 3. The only way to invalidate that is for Gala to push all the way up and break the wave 2 high at 0.043, and then you can erase that wave count. But as of right now, Gala Games has broken down. I do think Bitcoin's coming down to 10 to 13K. So we've broken down from this falling wedge pattern. We come back, we retested before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion, and having the opportunity to get Gala Games in the 0.01 range, which would be absolutely incredible. I'd be very, very excited if we do come down to those levels. The less likely scenario, anything is possible in the crypto space, so I always go over both, but I tell you which one is more probable and which one is less probable, in my opinion. And if you want to trust my opinion, you're probably absolutely insane. So please do your own analysis. So the bullish scenario, we break back above the falling wedge, hold it as support, start to break out. But as you can see right here, we had a fake out to the upside. We had a fake out to the downside, faked out to the upside once again, and now we're starting to break down. So I do think the higher likelihood is we see the continuation of the breakdown to that 0.01 range. So we'll zoom out one more time. So as you can see, with the ending diagonal, it basically works like this: A, B, C into a 1, A, B, C into a 2, A, B, C into a 3, and then there was some sort of A, B, C here into the 4. And once again, you come down in A, B, C in a wave 5. So potentially, if Bitcoin were to not come all the way down to 10 to 13K, then what you could look at is this is a wave A, we're coming back in a wave B, and then you would come down in a wave C, and you would bottom out at 0.018. But I think Bitcoin will come down to 10 to 13K, and that's when I think you'll see the price of Gala come all the way down to the low 0.01s, like 0.010, 0.011, possibly 0.009, which would be incredible, and I would absolutely love to see that. But as you can see, when we do see bounces, coins like Gala and Matic, which are my two top coins that I have the most capital in, that I'm DCAing, and there's a little secret, they're the top movers. Mostly I have top 100 projects on my list here, and as you can see, when we did bounce, Gala and Matic were top movers, which shows the amount of interest from investors in these products, and even retail investors and traders who are looking to load the bags for these projects are taking advantage and buying in. And when you see those large bounces, in my opinion, it's an early indicator of how strongly these coins will move in the bull market. Unless there's a black swan with one of the projects, I do think Matic and Gala will be absolute juggernauts in the next bull market and make you some extremely juicy, life-changing gains if you're smart about how you choose to invest in the coins. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays if you sign up to the Discord at 10 USD per month. That is it for this one. That is my analysis. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Grab those $30,000 in bonuses, probably for a limited time. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, my trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions, where I'm DCing at what prices. All is available at only 10 USD per month. If you'd like to, sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.